Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your currency on your Skrill account. Now this is very simple and easy to do, so make sure you watch this video right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Skrill's website and make sure you are logged in to your account, and then you just want to be on the dashboard like I'm on here. Now once you've got to this page and it looks a little something like this, you just want to head into the top right corner where you can see this button that says Skriller. And it should also say your name with it as well. And just go ahead and click on that button. So when you click on that, it will look something like this, and there'll be two options. There'll be one for settings and then one for help center. And we're just going to go ahead and click help center. Now from here, it will show us all different types of frequently asked questions, but since we're changing the currency of our account, we're going to go ahead and choose account here, the top option. And then we're just going to go ahead and look for updates, which is the second one down. So when we click on that, it will open up this drop down, and if we just go to the bottom, it says how can I change the currency of my Skrill account. So we click on that, and here is where it teaches us how to do it. So it says Skrill allows you to hold multiple balances in different currencies. Explore your options before making a decision. So you can add secondary balances in different currencies to your Skrill account, or if you are a VIP Skrill customer, it may be possible for you to have multiple accounts in different currencies depending on your VIP level. So if you're a VIP member, it might be better to do this. However, if you're not, it's best to read this one and probably just follow these steps. Now, if you've done all this and you're still having problems with your account, I would suggest contacting their support. So if you scroll down a bit, you will see this button here that says still need help, contact us. So here you can actually get in contact with their support. So they give you three options. You can either message them via email, you can either call them by choosing your country here, or they also have this bot here, the Skrill bot, which will be available 24/7. So you can contact that bot if you need help changing your currency on your account. So that is exactly how you can change your currency on your Skrill account. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.